So, put the car up on ramps. Obviously, most people would want to pull forward. I can do this in reverse, and also I'm pulled too far forward in the garage right now. Looking underneath, this is on 2017. We're going to remove this heat shield. There's 2 bolts here and 2 further back. Where am I? Right there and there. These are 12mm. With the heat shield now out of the way, we can get into here. This is the transmission mount. I've already got an insert in. You can see it there. Yours won't look like that. I've added this 2x4 to brace the drive shaft. It should hold the weight of the transmission mount temporarily. We're then going to undo the 3 bolts on the driver's side, the 3 bolts on the passenger side, and there's 3 bolts that hold the mount to the cross member. And we're going to undo all these. They're all 14mm. With them off, cross member drops freely. We're then going to take 2 on each side, these 2 12mm bolts off, and then we're going to take the mount out. With the mount out, we're now going to put the insert in. Get it started, put some grease on here, should make it easier. If you are unable to do so, you can put it in a vise like this. If you're unable to get it in by hand, you can put it in a vise like this and just tighten it in. You'll see it push in. And you're done. Put them all on. Put the cross member back together. Tighten it all down. Torque it down to this many foot-pounds. Reinstall the heat shield. 4 12mm bolts, and you're done.